enthusiasts. Welcome to Think Fast YouTube channel. Get ready to test your knowledge with this fun and exciting quiz. From easy peasy facts to tricky brain busters, we've got it all. Grab your thinking cap and let's dive in. Get ready. What part of the plant conducts photosynthesis? B. Leaves. Wow, photosynthesis is nature's magic. Which plant is known as the king of fruits? A. Mango. Mangoes are not just delicious but also packed with nutrients. What do plants release during photosynthesis? B. Oxygen. Oxygen, the breath of life thanks to plants. Which flower is commonly associated with love? C. Rose. Roses have been a symbol of love for centuries. What is the primary source of energy for plants? C. Sunlight, the sun, the ultimate energy source. Which part of a plant anchors it to the ground? A. Roots. Roots hold it all together. Which vegetable is known to make people cry? B. Onion. Tears of joy or just onion power? B. Green. Green, the color of life. Which tree is known for producing acorns? C. Oak. Mighty oaks from tiny acorns grow. What part of the plant holds the seeds? B. Flower. Seeds, the future of the plant world. It has seeds on the outside. A. Strawberry. Strawberries wear their seeds like jewelry. What's the largest tree species by volume? A. Sequoia. Sequoias, nature's skyscrapers. You're on fire. Fun fact. Bamboo is the fastest growing plant on Earth. It can grow up to 35 inches in a day. Keep going. The medium level question. What plant does chocolate come from? A. Cacao. Cacao beans, the secret of chocolate. Which plant is used to make paper? C. Pine. Pine trees help us stay organized. Which fruit is known as nature's candy? A. Dates. Dates, the sweetest treat from nature. Which gas do plants use during photosynthesis? B. Carbon dioxide. Plants love carbon dioxide during photosynthesis. What is xylem responsible for in plants? A. Transporting water. Xylem, the water highway of plants. Which pigment gives leaves their green color? A. Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll, the green machine. Brain power alert. You've aced the medium questions, but now we're stepping into the hardcore plant territory. Ready to show off your genius? Let's go. What plant is known as the corpse flower due to its foul smell? B. Titan arum. The Titan arum smells like rotting meat. Which part of the plant produces pollen? C. Anther. Anthers make pollen, the flower's secret ingredient for life. What type of plant lives for more than 2 years? B. Perennial. Perennials keep coming back year after year. Which plant can survive without soil by absorbing moisture from the air? D. Air plant. Air plants thrive with just air and water. Which plant has seeds that can travel by water? C. Coconut. Coconuts ride the waves to find new homes. Which plant has roots that grow above ground? B. Banyan. Banyan trees have aerial roots that grow above ground. Which plant is known as the queen of the night because it blooms only at night? D. Night blooming cereus. This cactus blooms only at night. What plant has the largest seeds in the world? A. Coconut palm. The coconut seeds can weigh up to 18 kilograms. Which desert plant can survive for years without rain? A. Cactus. These plants store water in their stems. Which plant is used to produce natural rubber? A. Rubber tree. Rubber is tapped from the tree's latex. What is the name of the world's tallest grass? A. Bamboo. Some species grow up to 35 inches daily. Which plant was once used as currency? D. Cocoa. In the Aztec Empire, cocoa beans were currency. What tree produces acorns? B. Oak. Acorns are oak tree seeds. What plant can grow a meter in a single day? A. Bamboo. It can grow over 30 meters tall. Which plant is known for its rapid response to touch? B. Mimosa. The leaves fold when touched. Which flower blooms once every 7-10 years? A. Titan arum, known for its foul odor. What is the world's largest flower? A. Rafflesia. It can grow up to 3 feet across. Which plant is known for its deadly poison? A. Hemlock, famous for its historical use. What is the smallest flowering plant? A. Duckweed. It floats on still water. Which plant is associated with Christmas? B. Poinsettia, known for its red and green foliage. Which tree has seeds that can travel on water? C. Coconut. Coconuts travel across oceans. Which plant contains the chemical salicin? A. Willow. Salicin is used to make aspirin. Which flower symbolizes remembrance? B. Poppy. Red poppies commemorate soldiers. Which plant is used to make tequila? A. Agave. Tequila is made from blue agave. Which plant can live for thousands of years? A. Bristlecone pine. Some live over 5,000 years. Which plant's seeds are dispersed by the wind? A. Maple. Helicopter seeds fly in the wind. What plant is known as the tree of life? A. Baobab. It stores water in its trunk. You did it. Thanks for joining our quiz adventure. How many did you get right? Share your score in the comments and challenge your friends. Stay curious and like, subscribe, and turn that bell on. See you all soon.